everything in second gear, just changing their gear in real life.
Maybe dropping a little pressure on that right front.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind 76.
Oh yeah, you'll get this good sideways soaring. It does kind of suck.
Hey, easy there, Logan.
1 to go. Double check your steering wheel. Look everything over real good. Pace car's off. Be ready. Do your thing, boss man. Be ready. Green flag.
Green flag, we're underway.
Inside. Clear.
Of course 18 did that.
In the middle of the track. Got slow one up top. You have a little damage to the front.
I hate starting outside.
In front of you, he's on the bottom. He's on the bottom. Slowing up in front of you there. 25.5, 2. In the wall, in front of you against the wall.
My bad, Jay.
15.4, 2.
No, you're trying to spin me. You only said my bad once you ended up in the middle.
I laid off the gas and I was pushed.
P1 is the fastest car on the racetrack.
Use that brake.
14.78.
No, I'm just playing. No, I'm doing
Clear.
forward.
15.485.
Yeah, man, it's on the rings. No one gives a fuck. This is a shit show all around.
Copy that.
P3 is the fastest car on the racetrack. 14.7.
Might as well be Demolition Derby at this point.
15.226. Good lap. P1 is the fastest car on the track. 14.654. 15.113. Doing a good job. Doing a good job. Outside. Clear outside if you want it. Fast guys are running 14.739. 15.463. Have a slow one in front of you. Spin. P2 is the fastest car on the racetrack. 14.621. 15.175. Alright, man. Go get those boys now. Go get them.
I'll go high, leader.
$15.088. Doing a good job. Doing a good job. He's on the bottom. He's on the bottom. Stay focused. You're catching him. The gap's 2.4. 15.188. Nice and smooth, bud. If he's putting too much pressure on you, just go ahead and let him go. He knows you're coming. Slow one on the bottom. I don't know what happened to him. Slow in front of you on the bottom. 15.153. Clear outside. P1 is the fastest car on the track. 14.59. Inside. Well, help with these flappers, Earl. Roger. Still inside. In front of you against the wall. 15.
Oh my god, I just saw that.
In front of you. In front of you. Leader's at a 15.398. Earl, get him the fuck out of the way. All right. Inside. Inside's clear. 16.426. Inside. I got one dead in the water in front of you there on the bottom.
Come on.
Still there, quarter. Got slow one up top.
Did I slide up into you?
Slow
I didn't
on the
mean to,
bottom.
bro.
Got some front damage.
Damn, I was running
Be aware of
P5.
that. Outside. That's it, man. Get up to the bumper. No move.
I'm at
Clear,
P5
clear.
with the front end.
32.052. In front of you.
Yeah, I had to pit. I got the black flag.
On the bottom. In front of you. He's on the bottom. 17.412. You got a slow car in front of you on the bottom. You got a slow car in front of you on the bottom. .369. Alright man, let's try to smooth out here a little bit. We got these guys kind of in us. The interval is 1.3, 15.243. So you know, fast guys are running 15.087. Slow car on the bottom, slow one on the bottom. Slow one's in front of you. 15.438. At 8 is the leader. In front of you, up against the wall.
Oh,
on the bottom.
bro!
Slow
Oh,
Slow one on the bottom. 15.
That was unintentional.
8. Got a slow car on the bottom.
I know.
Working on them in front of you. 15.437. Slow one on the very top. In front of you against the wall.
This is literally Demolition Derby. Oh my god.
Outside. You're clear if you need it. Do you think you got a loose wheel? Inside. He knows you're on the way. Inside's clear. 23.31. Take a deep breath, bud. I know. A little frustrating up there. Watch him pitting in front of you. There's gonna be 2 to go. 15.607. Outside. We got one dead in the water in front of you there on the bottom.
Oh my god!
You're outside. Slow cars on the top.
I don't understand how you do that.
Earl, get up the fuck out of the way.
Yeah, I don't understand how you're going laterally
Slow one on the
across
bottom.
the
I don't know
track.
what happened to him. That one on the bottom.
Oh, he's doing it on purpose
in front of you
now.
on the high side. In front of you on the top. 15.42.
I was in
Guys are
third.
running 15.84. Sitting 10th right now. Check your flag.
The Battlefield was lit, bro.
That was nice.
I mean, if you're that bad,
Earl, please try to get a look at the front end to see if it's fucked up or not.
I mean, why keep
Look that way.
racing? If you're gonna, I'm not talking shit, but if you're gonna just,
No, 18 was useless. You can talk shit on 18.
Yeah, 18 is shit. It's shit.
Imagine paying $10 a month just to be bad at this.
that's what I mean. Imagine paying a subscription on a game, and then just intentionally wrecking people.